Hello guys. So guys, I can't take off my mask. It is literally so crowded, it's not even funny, but I hope you guys can hear me. So let me know in the comments what you think about my new hair, my new look. But yeah, so we're finally at the airport. Finally got to our gate. Oh my god guys, it was so hectic. It is so crowded. Not having a stroller is it's mind-blowing. Like it's a lot. So as you guys saw, I had to improvise, so I let TJ ride the suitcase. I used my belt as the seat belt so it doesn't fall off backwards or whatever. So that was so helpful, because other than that, I don't know how we would get through. But anyways, I'm recording this video on Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there. I hope you have a spectacular day. Don't eat too much, leave some for me, okay? Yeah, so we're waiting now to board the flight. So I'm waiting for Shamai to get back. She went to the bathroom. I'm gonna take some pictures of TJ, but I don't want to leave the bags unattended, and you know, taking pictures for baby might take a while. So say hello. Say hello. Come, let me interview you. It's your first time going on the plane. Are you scared? Or are you happy? You're happy? Exactly. There's nothing to be scared of, right? Right? I'm super happy too. Where are you going? TJ. Where are you going? TJ, let's go. We're going this way. This is first time.
He's got great style.
He's confused. Thank you. He's so obsessed with fuzzy things. Like, this is the reason. I know, that's right.
If you're seated in an emergency exit room, you can call upon someone that exits in an emergency. If you are unable and willing, or feel you may injure yourself or performing your functions described on the stage information card, please let us know. We'll find you a different seat. Thank you.
Bye. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
So cute.
Be careful with your
Shamoya, you're killing baby.
Board JetBlue is flight 2233, and happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
A cellular service must be turned off prior to takeoff. If you're having difficulty finding a place to store your bags, in-flight crew members are available to help. Please take your seat.
You are so handsome.
Say thank you. Go.
Go ahead. You want to find your seat? Oh my gosh.
TJ. Where's the sister? Sister's right there.
In-flight crew, prepare for departure.
That's a big one. TJ. Good job. Good job. Wala na naman lahat.
TSA security measures. Only ticketed passengers are permitted beyond the security checkpoint. Thank you for your cooperation.
Ciao. Hello my beautiful people. So yes, I'm now in Florida. Yes honey, look at my background, look at that. What? So yes, I am now in Florida. I'm in West Palm Beach. Don't ask me where my wig is. I threw that baby away because I was hot. I had the biggest headache ever. So I'm actually now just getting a chance to talk with you guys about the trip. So let's get into that. So number one, I learned that you don't have to, I did not have to strain or fight with the car seat. I flew JetBlue, and whenever you get there, you can check the car seat for free. So you check the car seat, and whenever the plane land, you pick it up at baggage claim just like a bag, and that's at no cost. That was amazing. So I didn't have to like bring it on the plane. And yeah, if I had brought a stroller, I did not bring a stroller, but I also learned that if I had bought a stroller, I could use my stroller right up to the gate, like where I'm gonna board the plane. They would take it there, tag it, and whenever I get to my destination, they would have the stroller ready right there at the gate. Whenever I exit the plane, the stroller would be right there ready for me. That is amazing. I like the way that they do it. That is convenient to moms, because trust me, it ain't easy tugging along with a baby through the airport. The gates sometimes are so far away, you have to walk. My gate today was super far away, but the thing is, I got creative. So as you can see in a clip, I put TJ on the suitcase to ride, and I use a belt, literally a belt, a regular belt. No, it's not regular, because if it was a regular belt, then it wouldn't be able to lock for him, because the holes would be like way at the end. So I use one of those like military belt or security belt that has the little, I'll show you guys, that has the little thing. So I could like literally, I'm so sorry about that. I'm outside and people are like, they're just having fun, but it's okay. With that, it just lock closely around his waist and the suitcase, so that was like his little seat belt, kind of like, you know, just so that he doesn't fall backwards while I'm pushing him. And that was a savior for me. That helped so much. As I moved through the airport, everybody was like, oh my god, that is so smart. A guy asked me if that's store-bought or homemade, and I was like, what? I just came up with that for my convenience, because I know that it would have been super hard walking with the baby. TJ cannot walk fast enough. He's gonna get tired, and sooner or later I'm gonna have to be the one bringing him. So I just got creative. But yeah, we're here. What is happening here? What's this? What's this? But whatever. So yes, we're here. I'm at my aunt's house. She's resting. She has work later. On the plane, let's talk about on the plane. On the plane, TJ was like, it was the best baby ever. It was his first time flying, and the journey was like an hour and something, an hour, almost 2 hours, somewhere there about. And he behaved so great. It's not even funny. It was so good. It was so good. So tip, when the plane is taking off, try to make sure that your baby is eating something. When the plane is landing, do the same. It helps with the altitude, so the different ear pressure or whatever, that thing that makes your ear pop. So with them chewing constantly, it actually releases it, so they don't have the bubble or the ear, the thing that hurts your ears. Yeah, so when we were taking off, TJ was eating. When we were landing, I made sure he was eating, and he haven't complained, so I guess that worked. On the plane, they had the TV, the screen thing in the back of the seat, so, and they had actual movies and cartoons on there that you can just choose to watch. So at some point in time, I gave him a cartoon to watch. He was watching it with the headphone very nicely. He was relaxed, and at sooner or later he got tired of that, so I pulled out my phone and I gave him something to color. So I gave him something to color because my phone, it has the pen. Whenever you pull out the pen, it gives you different option, and it has the option like a coloring book, so you can just pull out the little pen and you can do some coloring. So he was doing that. That occupied his time for probably 30 minutes, if so much. And then he moved on. He went down. He walked up and down the aisle, not too far from me, just up a little bit. Some kids were at the about 2 seats up that he was interested in. So he walked up there, smiled with them, run back to me, walk up there, smile. So he was just stretching his leg whenever it was permitted. And that's it. He was such a good boy. No crying, no fussing, and I'm just surprised and I'm just grateful, you know. He didn't annoy anybody. Nobody had to be looking at him weird like, why don't the kid just shut up? So it was a good trip, no problem. I have no complaints. I'm trying to figure out if I left out anything. Since we got here, TJ has been super miserable. Reason being for that, as you know, y'all know, TJ is not a miserable baby. He's always super chill. He's always happy. Thank God. But since we got here, he's miserable because he's been up since after 5 a.m. TJ is not the type of child to sleep in lap. He does not nap in cars unless it's beyond him. So, and then the ride from the airport wasn't long. It was probably like 10 minutes. So that wasn't long enough for him to actually get to nap. And as I said, he doesn't like napping in cars. He doesn't nap in lap. He likes his bed. Not bed either, his playpen or crib. So it was hard for him, and then we're in a new place, so everything combined. So it was super miserable when we got here, and I know on top of all of that, it's a tired that is on top, because as I say, from after 5 a.m. and that he just fell asleep a couple minutes ago. And thank God I brought his blanket. It was the blanket that he hugged up and literally just went off to sleep on the bed. Did you hear what I just said? On the bed. Yes. So he's sleeping on the bed for the first time. I kid you not. Whenever I'm home and I put TJ on my bed, it's like a playground. He just run up and down the bed. He never ever sleep on my bed. If I don't put him in his playpen, he does not sleep. So that's a win. He's sleeping because he couldn't fight it no more. But so guys, I just realized that I did not close that video yesterday, so I just wanted to come on here real fast and close it. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and as usual, I hope it was helpful. I hope it helped somebody out there who's about to travel, or you know, travel with a toddler for the first time. So hope the information help. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.